In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the night light feature mode on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in night light. Best results should come back with night light. Go ahead and open that up. And then where it says show warmer colors on your display to help you sleep, turn that on just by selecting the turn on option. Or conversely, if you want to disable it, just select turn off now. You can adjust the strength by enabling or moving this little scroll bar or scroll button to the left or right. And you can also enable or disable the night light schedule by toggling this option on and then setting custom hours right below. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.